First, you need to remove the bellows wood on the chair, which there's one screw here and one there, and then on the other side you have two screws. Remove the bellows off. Once you have the wood removed, you can unhook the bellows from around the bottom bracket all the way around, so your bellows will rise up. Then you will need to remove the back plate, which has two screws there and two screws at the bottom. Remove that. Then you will need to take a support of some sort. We use a 2x4 to put under the front here to brace the chair so it won't fall. And then you can run the chair down till it hits that so the chair won't fall. The next step then will be to remove the brake pedal. And then you can remove these two screws here. We'll release the brake pad here. And then you can run the chair down just a little bit, which will release this pad. You can raise it up and then take the brake cam out and replace it with a new one. When you pull the old brake cam out and put the new one in, make sure the lobe is over to the left side and the crack and the base, and place it in like so. And then replace your anchor back on there and just barely run the chair back down till your holes line up for your screws here. And then put your brake pedal on the right corner of the anchor here and tighten it up real tight. And then when you turn it to the left, it should lock to where the base is locked and will not rotate. Sometimes you may have to loosen the screw, raise this up, and turn it again to get it to lock real tight. And then you should be through.
For more information, visit www.exceldentalparts.com.